Hello everybody. Today at Bob's Watches we're introducing a pre-owned Rolex Yacht-Master 116621. This watch contains a random serial number indicating that it was produced by Rolex in the year 2016. The characteristics include an 18-karat everose gold and stainless steel Oyster bracelet with an Oysterlock clasp. The dial is chocolate with a chromalight display, and the case is 40mm stainless steel with an 18-karat everose gold rotatable bezel. Has an inner reflector ring engraved with the serial number, a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, and contains an automatic 3-1-3-5 movement. This Yacht-Master comes with a Rolex box, booklets, hang tags, and a Rolex warranty card. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking the link in the description below, or by searching for Bob's Watches 116621 in Google. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos.